Hey everyone, in this video we'll clear up a common question. Which NordVPN protocol should you use? NordVPN gives you a few options, and each one is designed for different needs like speed, security, or bypassing restrictions. And just a quick reminder, if you want to try NordVPN yourself, check the description below for an exclusive deal, 73% off plus 3 extra months, and it's backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. Let's start with OpenVPN. This one's the classic, rock-solid protocol that's been around for years. It's reliable, secure, and works on both TCP and UDP ports. NordVPN uses AES 256 encryption with a 4096-bit key, so yeah, it's serious about security. If your top priority is stability and maximum protection, OpenVPN is usually the best choice. Next up is WireGuard, or more specifically, NordLynx, which is NordVPN's own version of it. This one is all about speed. In fact, NordLynx is set as the default in most NordVPN apps. It's lightweight, only 4,000 lines of code compared to OpenVPN's 400,000, which makes it faster and easier to audit. If you're gaming, streaming, or just want the quickest connection, NordLynx is the way to go. And then there's NordWhisper, the newest protocol. This one's designed for tricky environments like airports, hotels, campuses, or offices where the Wi-Fi is restrictive and blocks normal VPN traffic. It's ideal for bypassing filters, but keep in mind it doesn't work with obfuscated servers, onion over VPN, or P2P connections. So use it mainly when you're on filtered networks. So which protocol should you pick? Simple. For everyday use and fastest speeds, go with NordLynx. For maximum stability and security, choose OpenVPN. And if you're stuck on a filtered network, NordWhisper will save the day. And that's it. Now you know which NordVPN protocol is right for you. If you want to try NordVPN and get the special 73% discount plus 3 bonus months, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching, stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next one.